We've defied the impossible, dared to break barriers, reached for the stars to make the unknown known.
Apollo continues to inspire generations, but it costs $250 billion. So why do we explore space? I'll tell you why. Have you ever used this? Or this? There are 12,000 satellites orbiting this planet right now. So many of them study our Earth, providing the data you read on your phone. Not only that, Europe's Copernicus program tracks climate change and natural disasters like wildfires in Canada, but importantly, it provides free information about the world's food. By tracking moisture levels, the Earth's vital sign, we can better predict droughts and help governments farm food for themselves. Not just Earth weather, but we can predict space weather, ensuring we protect our power grid from the occasionally deadly sun while emitting a lot of radiation. But there's one satellite I think you definitely know about. On a lab on Earth, there are so many factors which you can test for, but there's one thing which you can't remove: gravity. That is the entire point of the International Space Station, being able to remove gravity from the equation, peering into the universe's processes, which you can never see or understand on Earth. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is a devastating and incurable genetic condition. It degrades your muscles, and by the age of 12, most are unable to walk. But research from the ISS has found compounds, now in clinical trials, which can double the life expectancy of patients and slow its development. And we've improved drug delivery methods for cancer to make that critical stage of treatment a bit more dignified for patients. But imagine manufacturing things in space. Manufacturing artificial retinas, which can restore vision to millions. This is a real thing. This is what astronauts do experiments on the ISS. There's only so much water on the space station, and after astronauts use it, well, it comes out of them eventually, that needs to be recycled and purified. It's this very same technology which allows the most underdeveloped regions of the world to have safe, secure water, saving lives globally. Similarly, in 2020, all of a sudden, everybody started to care about the air they breathed. It was the ISS's air purification technology which saved lives here on Earth during the pandemic. There's more space in your life than you might think, be it the use of robotics and artificial limbs or seismic shock absorbers in buildings. Memory foam started off at NASA to make plane seats safer. Now it's in your mattress and pillow. What's even more crazy is the pixel sensor used to record this video right here, as in every single smartphone to ever exist, started off through space exploration. Sometimes it's more than just called technology, it's about survival. NASA's DART mission tried to see what would happen if, let's say, an asteroid was coming towards Earth, we tried to slam it with a probe. And hell yes, it worked. We are the only species ever to possess the power to change fate, prevent our extinction. After all, you don't want to end up like these guys. They didn't have a space program. So can you really put a monetary value on scientific knowledge, inspiration, and the expansion of our frontiers? Space research is not separate to solving Earth's problems. If we stop exploring, we stop innovating, and we risk far more than just money.
Because we're still pioneers that have barely begun.
Progressing beautifully. Science to the space station.
The International Space Station.
Heat shield.
Skype maneuver. Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars.